Watch. Dutch boy this attack. Big up on yourself to the fullest, you know, hear that? Ninja man, me come for big up still, you know. You hear that? Ninja man, you're the realest. You're one of the realest in the dancehall, Ninja man. You're a dancehall godfather. Dutch boy get a name there, you hear that? That's what you do for Merciless, bring back Merciless back on the forefront. Me really love that. You understand what I mean? Because Merciless did really need that, because it's a while now since Merciless, a bad artist, we all know that, but it's a while now since Merciless in the dark. It's like the dog lost. You see what I say? And that little clash thing though him and Ninja Man go do, it bring him back. Turn up back Merciless thing right now. All Bounty Killer, me see all a post, all Merciless. One look at one long time video with him and Merciless. A DJ together up on the stage. You see what I say? So you don't see say Merciless thing global again. I love that. Because I always rate Merciless from long time. Merciless are one of the baddest artists. You see what I say? For real. But here my advice to you now, Merciless. You see like how you see the artists them a support you like this, Merciless. Nobody try for one disrespect them again. Like one go on like you want to kill them or you want to prove to nobody like you're better than them or nothing. So I say, like how them a work with you, just use the opportunity and turn up back your thing. You understand what I deal with? For real, because when I just said before a while ago, it's been a while now since you're up on the forefront and nobody never really has see you. We know say you must have voiced tune or something like that, because that's how artists do it. They come like some man who play ball. Even if them not pay for in a big club, them always depend some men that play some ball or something. You understand what I say? For real. So you are musicians, so that you do. So I don't know say you must have record song, but none of them not really get the ear play them or whatever. I don't know if I fight the disc jockey them I fight against you or war, the selector them I fight against you or war. I don't know what caused that for me. You understand what I say? Make your career it kind of slow down. So, but like me say now, the man them I give you the support. So, just work with it, my brother. You saw me I say and just big up Bounty and all of them, because me that I mentioned to all one of my virgin them say, yo, Jano, me not really to him like our Merciless career look for a big bad artist. You saw me I say? Merciless is bigger than that in our business. That me that tell one of my brethren with you. I say, in order for Merciless do that, Merciless need for power with Bounty and them man there. So I say and just make Bounty call him up on 2 stage show and him just shell it. So I say, because I know say Merciless have the lyrics and the ability to do that. So I say, me that have been a say that. So it's like me did been a predict this already. So this something like this still gonna happen. So that's why I say big up Ninja Man, cause Ninja Man never try to clash him nor nothing. So I say I don't say that. Ninja when I time all Merciless all like exaggerate and I go on and Ninja Man just stay so I pray man I watch him. But don't say I rise Ninja Man or I rise him. So I don't say Ninja Man full of love in my heart. I work me there, you know, watch ya. But me have to take a time out. You see me? But then we call me at any time. I have to take a little time out and shoot a video. You see what I say? Because I just love how I go on. Because I don't make them kill me with work. You know? I'm a man love dancers every time. I just go find a little spot and I play my mother, I play my Bounty, I play my Baby Sham. You see what I say? I play my Beanie Man, my Sizzler, Kalanji, my Capitan. All of them, Bounty Killer, the whole of them, Ninja Man, Super Cat, all of them. Because I love dancers. So I say so. It's a music man. So I have to keep myself entertaining. So, and all this while I go on now, I just have to talk about it. So I say, for real, because I saw the thing said. So as I say, Merciless, man, just work with the strength of the man them a game, man. Just work with it. Because Bounty Killer them, Ninja Man them, Beanie Man, Sizzler, Capitan. You saw me I say, them brother them big in the music. And once you and them apart, you go good. Once you fight against them, enough people are going to fight against you too. Because them artists just beloved more than the rest of artists them. You understand what I say? Them artists do just step on a different level. If you notice, them come like dancehall immortal. None of them artists, the name what I call them, can't flop. You no matter what them go through. Ninja Man, Bounty Killer, Beanie Man, Sizzler, Kalanji, Capitan, them artists, Buju Banton, them artists that just can't flop. You see what I say? Them run music. You see what I say? So just work with the floor, man, and don't try, as I say, don't try war against them or so. Just work with the thing, Merciless, and turn up the thing, man. So the people them can see your hard work them where you put out finally paid off. Because the way I see it, if you fight against them, man, all of the good work where you put out, all of them works just fade away. You see what I say? So just work with it, man, so you can see your glory and things can just go the right way for you and everything just run smooth. You see what I say? Because Killer make the talk say if youth feet a dumpling or something. That's why you see Killer give the strength too. You see what I say? Let's work with that Merciless, man. And as a Ninja man I say, me not lie. The first me ever see a DJ so wicked. Get a right pan key and everything. You see what I say? Keep up your good thing, my general. And go and work with the artists, them, the veteran artists, them. Because you're a veteran too. But as I say, you think they just kind of they in the dark for a while. I don't know if I show you that fight against the artists them and them so big and influential to whole heap of producer and whole heap of disc jockey and whole heap of selector. Them decide to them not work with you if you not work with Bounty and certain man. You understand what I say? So maybe I hate that. But as I say, I keep on repeat myself, you think up again. So just make it stay up. Sky top up in. You hear that? Watch. Dutch boy is a speak. No, big up yourself, Ninja man. You're a dancehall legend. You hear that? Big up yourself. You're a clean-hearted youth, Ninja man. Nothing what you do, enough artists only do that. Because whole heap of lyrical confrontation you are Merciless up before already. So may I say? Yeah. And Merciless fans them, don't get me wrong. I not say him can't kill Ninja man. I not say him can't kill Ninja man. You understand? But him do it. He probably kill Ninja man like a couple times already. But we put him in time, him a prolong and just focus his mind on that. Like a trample him one trample. Them man they carry it. End up turning around on him. So Merciless to just stay focused. So I say make him think stay up because I'm one of the baddest artists. And I love all of the artists them. So I love seeing them unite too. And I love the new thing with the artists them do. The whole of them unite. You see what I say? I say I don't want them fear unite too. I don't want Movado. You see what I say? Popcorn. You see what I say? Yeah, Massacre, Dexter Daps, Jamil. I saw the whole of them artists there. Tammy Lee, I saw the whole of them fear unite too. Stein, Flex. You see what I dealing? Black Rhino. I saw the whole of them fear unite too. Because I keep it and done telling us that music is a mission, it's not a competition. And united we stand and divided we fall. You see what I say? So the man them as we keep it and say, no not gonna know nothing until you back against the wall. So the man them have the thing when you just cherish it and unite together. Because it piano, when you just you and love it at that time, the profession. When you just unite man and just nice up the thing man and just. So I say, go and big up the whole and just go and put out the good music and the good work same way. Yeah, so we as the fans can love what go on and keep we entertaining to you. See it? So big up on yourself to the fullest. Watch. My heart, Sky Top.